Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Okay, cool.
Hi, my name is Jenni Berrios. My major is photojournalism and Spanish, and my class year is 2022. What I want to show in my photographs is like a story. Specifically, these like big prints. I just love how they kind of look like a storyboard, stills of what could be like a film. And I think a lot of my work is that like just documentary work, narrating a little bit of what my life is, and just the duality of being American but also having Salvadorian roots. I work with 35mm film, digital photography, and this semester I've been working more with short film. And with my films, a lot of them are Spanish and English mixed. I document things that are happening in my life currently, or other things are like something that like taboos that in the Latinx community we don't talk about. So like I want to create that conversation, talking about hard stuff and just having conversations. And I think that's where a lot of my work comes from. I took this in El Salvador. That's where my parents are from. I wanted to document my grandma's funeral. I wanted to document it for family members, but this really speaks on like the complexities of like chasing the American dream. I think this also talks about like the people that are left behind, and also what people that leave to pursue the American dream, like what they have to deal with. And like, for example, in this image in specific, I think really captures that my mom couldn't attend her own mother's funeral because she can't travel because of legal reasons. Here's hoping you spend from beginning to end a perfectly wonderful, happy Mother's Day, literally like the beginning and the end. I just loved how all tied together. I would say like I'm really proud of this work, just to see that process of myself becoming more vulnerable for a storytelling cause. I feel like this represents me as an artist as well, and like what I want to continue to pursue.